Hey guys, it's me, Mackenzie, and today Dakota will not be joining us on this second Nature Hero video. So let's show you my environment. So this is my environment. This is my best friend's house. That's neighbor's house. So yeah, bye. I meant to say, hope you like in our next video. We actually finished this already. So bye.